It's me again, Valor Landscaping, all the way from Costa Rica. El Tico, pura vida. Here, we're going to talk a little bit about giving the right use to a slope in a backyard. And this landscaping here, I built it for my customer maybe 20 years ago, 15 years ago. We've been this terrace in here, this path to go up to the slope. And in between the paths, we planted all these succulents and a few of the lavandulas. To make the paths a little more interesting, a little more natural. Some of the plants now are a little bit on the way, but this step they don't use it that much, so my customer like nature, and she prefers to have the plants in there or walk around the plant than to remove the plant from the path. So, and in here now we have a pomegranate plant, we have in there a plum, we have a Suriname cherry, apricot, producing apricot, another apricot in here, they produce a lot. We have an orange in the back, and then farther down we have an apple, they producing good apples. And in here we have a peach, nice peach tree. With the apple in there, we can see the grapes down there. Rosemary is a plant that we use for medicine, for cooking. And this in here, I'm going to be pruning this a little bit in here, just removing all these longer branches in here. Thank you, pura vida. See you the next time. Hasta la vista.